So quick update on the Viking. It is going on GitHub in the start of March. I'm just gonna finish everything, and at least I'm gonna do the XY. I'm gonna finish that one so you can start build. And done some minor detail changes to the design, just aesthetic purposes, nothing big. Reprinted some parts in the same material. This is transparent PLA only. They are going PETG, but they should actually stay PLA. There's no need for PETG on these parts. There's not much stress going on, but the corner brackets and the motor brackets, they should be PETG. New glass bed, 400 by 400. Build volume will be 390 on the Y, about 380, 390 on the Y, and 330, 340 on the X. So GitHub, start of March, you can start building with instruction, manual, parts, everything. Hope you enjoy.